for our school, we do things a little different. We have a 3-week course. Our first week course is typically done online. That allows them to work and still be able to maintain their lives. Then they come out here to our wonderful environment out here, and that's where we start working with them as far as getting their exterior pre-trip, all their backing fundamentals, straight line, angle backing, offsetting, and then they move into the third phase, which is our road phase.
On the road, they're all your general basic driving habits. They're learning how to square off a turn into the lane closest to them. We try to teach them to read the road ahead as far as eyes can see. Get the big picture. Aim high in steering. Be defensive. Always leave yourself an out. Be aware of your surroundings. Be courteous at all times. And you got to live in your mirrors.
One of the biggest joys of the job is actually being able to take somebody from no education to slowly watch them progress and eventually have what we all know as a light bulb moment.
You're developing them to pass, to learn. And what you learn, you got to retain because you apply it every day in your profession. And you want to master it and be the best at it you can and stay safe.